Welcome back to our next chapter. So in last chapter we saw about alerting. Now in today's chapter we're gonna see the application monitoring. So what are the different ways we can enable the application monitoring using a Grafana open source stack? So we'll be touching base all these things in a greater detail in chapter by chapter. So what is application monitoring? Application monitoring is actually getting the all the telemetry data from any application, whether it is Python based, Spring Boot application, or any other application that are installed onto your Kubernetes or non-Kubernetes flavor. Now, what are the different ways we can enable the application monitoring? Now, this is the first and the prominent way with the help of micrometer actuator. This is called as in application instrumentation that will be looking with the help of practical example. That with the help of this, we can enable the metrics of an application. There's a popular framework called as OpenTelemetry that we will see eventually in this course. With the help of OpenTelemetry Java agent, we can enable the Java related red matrices for an application using auto instrumentation. That is the reason it is called as auto instrumentation. Now there's another term called as open telemetry operator, which is recently getting more popular because of this agent injection, which is again an auto instrumentation based, enabling of your red signal, rate error duration. And then we will see how to enable the EPBF mode based of instrumentation for an application using Grafana Bela, which is again another important, open source flavor. And then last but not the least, we'll be able to see how to enable the JMX based monitoring, meaning installing the JMX exporter and getting the JVM level metrics with the help of agent. So these are the things that we will check in the application monitoring. And what are the categories if we really talk about? So code base means micrometer when we are modifying the codes and then getting the matrices. Agent base means otel Java agent, right? And then injection basis otel operator that is recently being developed by OpenTelemetry community. EPBF means you are not touching any your application, you're installing this the onto your Linux based virtual machines, and then it will be done with the help of Grafana Bela. And then native means installing the JMX exporter and getting these matrices. So we'll be checking all these application monitoring based mechanisms in the next chapter. So stay tuned and see you in the next chapter. Thank you.